Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint our Valentine's Gnome paint kit. Everything you need to complete this project will be provided in your kit. You're going to get the paint brushes, it's a pack of 10, the cutout that I'm painting, and a Sharpie marker to outline everything. And I'm going in first with my number 12 flat and my red paint, and I'm painting my heart. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to paint his hat, excluding the polka dots that are on it. Following this step, I'm going to go in and fill in my polka dots with the white paint that's provided. And you guys, if you want to see more videos from us, you can check us out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday live on Facebook at 11 a.m. Central Time. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of tan, and I'm going to use this to paint my gnome's nose and hands. Following this, I'm going to go in with my pink paint that's provided, and I'm going to paint his outfit that he's wearing. And I always like to keep a bowl of water and some paper towels or baby wipes around to be able to clean my brushes as I'm working and continue to use my brushes throughout my projects. Once I'm done base coating, I'm going to allow everything plenty of time to dry. And once I've done so, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker as seen here, and I'm going to outline everything. And this is my very favorite part because it's when everything really starts to take shape and pop. And I'm also going to use this marker to just fill in his little shoes. And I'm just following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me, so this is very easy. No need to overthink it. And then once he's done outlining, I will go in with my number 4 round and the color white that's provided. And I will just highlight everything to soften and brighten everything up. And then that'll complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.